Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send a basic email using Microsoft Outlook for Office 365 on a Mac computer, the desktop application. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the desktop application for Microsoft Outlook, an account for Microsoft Office 365, Company World School of Business. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, go to Microsoft Outlook, make sure you are signed into the account. So to send a new email, let's go to the left top corner of the screen, click on New Email. This will open up a new user interface on screen. Before we send the email, let's create an email. So I'll just address this to myself. Thank you for your email. I will speak to you again very soon. End this with kind regards. Admin, we can have a signature that will be in the near future when we work through how to create and insert a signature. So now let's send this to my main account. That's all done. We can send a carbon copy. Let's also add a subject. You do not have to add a subject, but it will prompt you to add a subject. So let's now send this. We can send later. But for this tutorial, let's just click on send. And the email has now been sent. Let's click on sent. There you go. This email has now been sent. We can now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to Safari. Go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to Outlook. And there we go. The email has now been received from my end on my original account. So we can now quit Safari, go back to Outlook, quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.